If we want to simplify, then we have two different methods. One method, the fallback plan, is to expand. And then the other method is to use our exponent rules. We have power to a power, multiply. All right, so if I go ahead and expand though, that 2x cubed, that means that we have 2x multiplied by 2x multiplied by 2x. And then each one of those 2x's is really 2 multiplied by x. So just emphasizing that 2x means 2 times x times 2 times x times 2 times x. Multiplication is commutative, so since you can multiply in any order you want, I can put the 2 times 2 times 2 first, and then the x times x last. And then putting all this back together, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 8, and x multiplied by x multiplied by x is x to the third power. So if you expand, we're just going around knowing our rules. But in this case, if I do the same problem and I focus on the exponents here, the exponent on 2 is 1, and the exponent on x here is 1. And we know that power to a power, you multiply the exponents. Power to a power, multiply. So I just have a lot going on here. So it's this power to a power and this power to a power. So I'm going to end up with 2 to the 1 times 3. And then I have the x to the 1 times 3. And then that's 2 to the third power times x to the third power. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And I get the same answer, 8x to the third. I'm sure that most of you would not show any of this work. You would go from the original directly here, because you'd think of this as 2 to the third power and write 8, and then x to the third power. Okay, so here's just one extra example to make sure you have it down. So if we use the expand method, I have 4z times 4z times 4z. Each one of those 4z's means 4 multiplied by z. And so then 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, and z times z times z is z cubed. If I use the power to a power, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3, and then 4 to the third means 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64, z to the third.